Samuel bafethu, we get back again with another one. So bafethu lana ngifuna sikhulumeni about album ka Flame bafethu, which like Black and White, which like it's the dopest album ever. And what I've realized in that album, ulova ukhulile bafethu. Ulova ukhulile just down bafethu, ulova ukhulile laphayana. Maturity yakhe. And my favorite song is A Game of Thrones. I love that song. Wow. I'm a Vesada. I wanna my hustler, like the true hustling nigga. Like you can relate with that song. You can relate with that song because I truly love it. And from Manga, it's the best song ever. And every time when I'm on my hustling mood, or if like I'm on a journey hustling and do all those things, or I'm alone just chilling, like Zamucholes Nizi into way forward, the women by I always play that song. It's very, very, very inspiring song by Bafethu. On that album is the song that I love amongst all other songs. So ngifuna sikhulumeni about Flame no 80s. Ingathi beef yabo bafethu isikwashiwe neyibona leyo nto. Ingathi isikwashiwe beef yabo, and I'm willing and I'm praying ukuthi abolova ngathi bangahlangana bafethu benzeni bakhiphe i-project yayithola into le bafeaturane, because mangibona kubo between bona bo2 ayisekho ilento i-cold blood anymore. Yangithola khona warm blood, so which means amajida angaspanisana, which means amajida angakhipha something. And if amajida angakwazi uspanisana bafethu, just imagine sothola ingoma bafethu ezifana nabo feelings. I feel like money today. You understand that those vibey songs, because those two niggas bafethu amfuna kamamanga, they were making waves isikhathi saspanisa be2. Unfortunately kamamanga they keep amanye ama waves anzima kabi bafethu, anzima kabi. Uyayibona into le, but ke just because of isikhathi, just because of ama conflict, just because of growth amajita they had to separate. Nayibona lonto. So manje masithandazeni ukuthi olova phinde babuye basipane bafethu. Nayibona into le, because in that way it means Tina as ama supporters we're gonna get some good music bafethu. Because mangibheka Iris side, Aries, because abantu abaningi bayathanda ukulungisa igama ka Aries side no Flame. Mangibheka these two artists, abantu abaningi balangazelela ukuthi bangahlangana baphinde basebenze just like before. Nayibona into le, which nami ndayilangazalela, because these two artists a bit different, and then kabehlangana ebesiguy the best project ever. Uyayibona into le, because there's a clip lebembuza khona uFlame ukuthi there's any feature is coming, what na akayiphikanga akayivumanga. Yebo patchi ushinje siphakathini bafethu, kusho ukuthi masingamela noma yini.